Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die, I'm focused on the music. Man, I swear that I'm a real one, I ain't never losing. And now I'm so caught they spin, but they don't never do shit. I'm in these streets, this shit is real, man, I ain't picking choosing. I gotta get rich before I die.
I just realized it fucking rained. Didn't expect that. But happy though. We got few clients last week, so they'll be happy that we had a rainfall and their plants are gonna grow well. So today, daily updates as usual. Today, I had a meeting with Yashwant regarding the ad which I thought of shooting for the Coco Peat pots, because in Chill Sesh Live I had a couple of people asking me if they could pick up only the Coco Peat pots, and also while I was selling the pocket garden kits at KBR, I had a lot of people ask me if they could pick up only the Coco Peat pots. So definitely there are people interested. So I want to just see how many people would be interested to get an idea. And for that I thought of running Instagram story ads, swipe up ads, leading with the landing page. So excited. I already have the plan of how the ad has to be, and today I met with Yashwant to discuss about how the ad can be shot. Yashwant is into cinematography, so he's very interested in this. So I'm super excited because I know for a fact that he's very talented. So super excited to see how that would turn out. And that was a really long talk, man. We got to know a lot, not just in terms of what we could do in terms of the ad, but in terms of what are we doing in our personal lives. He's also doing a lot of interesting things, working with another new startup run by young people, so that's also very interesting. And here, if you see, we've got 1 kg of our soil mix, which contains of 18 different nutrients in that, which will help the client and the plant grow better. So it's helpful for everybody. And who was it? I don't know that flat number. I was trying to recollect their flat number, but I just don't know. I think it's 103. The RD from 103 wanted 1 kg of potting mixture, and here we go, a potting mixture for them. 1 kg of potting mixture for them. And just today, Rohit delivered 50 kgs of potting mixture to another person in Jubilee Hills. So there is some traction for just the potting mixture as well. And just today I had the thought that I could probably sell each items individually. Yashwant actually suggested me that, asking why don't you sell each item individually. I don't know, we never went into that, but nowadays we're getting decent orders, so we're going into supplying specific items or products. It's fucking dark all over. So there's that for today. And apart from that, I bought the MNV domain. So the domain which we have right now is mnvdigital.com. And for this, I'll have to go through a couple of digital marketing websites to see which website is having the best interface or best homepage and what all do they offer. To put it in simple terms, which page is appealing to me, so that I'll get an idea of what I want in MNV's page too. So that is what I've been doing today, and I actually have to hop on a call with Anudeep. He's that dude who's going to develop the website. So yeah, we both still have to talk. But apart from that, great day. And also I got in the SEO words, as the wordings which will help in our SEO ranking. I already got that shortlisted for MNV, so I'm sorted with that. Now I'm gonna go back to looking at digital marketing websites.